This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering precise network data so the QR code works on the first try. Enter the SSID exactly as shown, then type the password with correct case. Mistakes block login. Select the right encryption type. WPA2 is common because the QR encodes that value. Once done, open a trusted QR generator app or website and pick the Wi-Fi template. Make sure you set the fields to match the router. You're ready to create the code now. Now you generate the QR and verify it works. In the generator, choose Wi-Fi, paste SSID, select encryption, and enter the password. If the network is hidden, toggle that option so devices know to broadcast it, otherwise they won't connect. Export a high-contrast PNG or SVG and scan with your phone's native camera or a QR app. Make sure the scanner proposes the network join action. Do not share the code publicly until you confirm the connection succeeds. To finish, point the device camera at the QR and tap the join or connect prompt that appears. You should see the network name before confirming. If the prompt doesn't show, make sure your phone's QR scanner is enabled and that the QR encodes the correct encryption and password. Once connected, test internet access. If it fails, reboot the router, verify SSID/password, then regenerate the QR code and try again. Regenerating fixes most encoding mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.